Alright, in this video, I am going to take you through how to earn from Binance. This method doesn't require you a lot of skills. It only requires you little knowledge and then little capital. Any amount that you have, you can do this. If this is your first time, like the video for me and subscribe, because I'll be giving everyday videos about how we can make money on online and then on crypto space. So today's video is educational purpose, and it doesn't guarantee that you will become a millionaire. I am only showing you the way. I'm enlightening you about things that are hiding. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is to get your crypto asset. So let's say you have to get either USDT, Bitcoin, or any currency that you have, but I prefer you getting USDT. So the first thing is to go to your P2P section. When you go to your P2P section, then you have to order for USDT. So if you are from any other countries that are using Binance, just change it to your currency. Okay, so just change it. Currently I am staying in Ghana, so I have to buy USDT. So just select USDT, then let's say I want to buy 200 USDT. So let's say I want to buy 100 USDT or 1000 USDT. So you just enter, then you place your order. Any amount of USDT you want, you can buy. So after buying the USDT, you now have to come to Binance, this section. Then you click on more. Okay, then the first thing you should do is clicking on Binance N. Okay, you're going to use Binance N. And when you click on Binance N, this is how we are going to use one of this. We are going to invest in one of this, and we are not going, we can use USDT and then USDC. Okay, these are coins that I will recommend, the USDC and the USDT, and also FD USDT, this three coin. Okay, because USDT and then USDC, FDU, they are mostly, they are stable coins. Please, there are coins that have higher percentage of returns, but mind you, these coins are highly risky coins because they are not stable coins. They deviate or decreases anytime they want. Okay, so it is very risky to put your money on the unstable coins. You see, this one is 30%, 31%. Okay, there are a lot of coins. Some coins are even having very huge percentage. So and they are not stable coins. They are not stable coins. So the best thing for you to do is to take the stable coin. Okay, so the stable coin is USDT and USDC, and then FDUSDT. This is Euro. Okay, this is also Euro. I think Euro too is a stable coin. So the first thing, let's say we have the USDC. Okay, USDC. Then we now want to invest. But you should know that this investment is not stable. Although the coin is stable, you are not going to lose your capital. You are not going to lose your capital, but the percentage here that you are getting, this is yearly percentage, and also this percentage can decrease and it can also increases to by at least by 20%. It depends. So at this moment, the yearly percentage is 8%, 8.79%, which can further increase or decrease. this is the difference that we have in Binance earnings. Okay, Binance earning. Your capital that you put in is not going to decrease because you are putting in on a stable coin. Okay, so if it's a stable coin, your capital remains the same, but your percentage sometimes varies. As I talk today, tomorrow it can be the same, or it can increase or decrease. So let's say 100 USDT is equivalent to 100 USDC. So let's enter 100 USDC. I see the amount of profit you'll be making per day. So that means if you invest 100 USDC, this is the amount of profit we'll be getting every day. Yeah, the amount of profit you'll be getting every day. So if you can multiply 0.01 by let's say 30 days, you will know the amount of profit you get. So if you have huge amount of money and you can put it here, this $1,000, that means you'll be getting 0.09 cents. 9 cents. You'll be getting 9 cents on this method. Then let's say you have $10,000. You invest $10,000 to this platform. That means you are getting 0.09, and then this one 0.4 USDC. Okay, you are getting 0.4 USDC every day. So if someone is rich and you can partake in this platform and this method, and anytime you want to take your money out, you can take your money without any hesitation. It's not like fixed deposit. It's not like banking that you just put your money for some month. If the month has not reached, you don't get your money. No, this one is just simple. If you put it on flexible means you can take your money anytime you want. Okay, you can take your money plus the profit anytime you want. So if you have money and then you want to invest, I'm showing you this way, although I do not recommend it because you may also have different thing that you will do with your money. So, and let me show you this one too. We have locked one. This one has minimum of duration. Maybe you may come and then come across this one. It has minimum duration. Okay, just like the banking sector, where you deposit your money and then they'll give you minimum duration that you can get your money. So USDC is 21 days. Okay, so 21 days duration. So let's say I enter $1,000. That means at the end of the 21 days, they will add me $1. If I invest $1,000 in here for 21 days, they will add me $1. That is what I'll get, and I'll get it and add to my money. Let's see if we can get other coins. If we can get other higher coins here, which piece higher. I want some of the stable coin. Let's click on the HOTS section. We will see these coins. Okay, so this is I think this is not locked. This USDC is not part of the locked. We have BNB, we have BTC, we have Solenoid. Okay, alright, so Solenoid 2, we have 14 days, 30 days. Let's put 30 days here. Amount of Solenoid, let's say we have one solenoid is about 100 and something. So let's say we have 5 solenoid, which is $1,000. So this is the amount of solenoid we will get, and then you can see that this one is also different. Okay, so if you invest in the locked section, you will not be able to withdraw till the days that they give you elapse. This is 21 days. Some are even 30 to 120 days, 30 to 120 days. So that's a maximum 120 days. So if you want to also lock your money for 120 days, you can do that. And if you also want to Just take out your money anytime you want. You can also do that. DAI is also one of the stable coin. Okay, DAI is also a stable coin. So let's choose this. So one DAI is equivalent to $100. So let's say one DAI is equivalent to $1 rather. So let's see, we have $100, and then at the end of the 15 days, this 15 days, we are getting 0.1 DAI. That's 10 cents. That's so let's say we have $1,000. At the end of the 15 days, we are getting $1. Let's put 30 days. Okay, so I have $1,000. I'll get 2.8 cents. That's almost $3 when a 30 days elapses. This is a method that you can be making small money on your capital. Okay, let's say I have $10,000, then I invest in 30 days. I'll be getting 28.3676 DAI, which is equivalent to $28. I think this is a very good investment, because if you just put your money down without doing anything, you can at least make small profit. And if you have $100,000, it's a little bit good. So this is how we can also make money on Binance. Thank you very much, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any comment, leave it in the description section.